Hi, so this is to show you how to switch a recurring donor who's being charged by Paya to IATS. So here we are on a constituent record, the donation tab, and we see that they have a payment method that indicates that they're being charged through Paya. So, and we can see if we click into the recurring donation, we can see that payment method is populated. So let's go back, and we actually want to delete the payment method. So we're going to delete it from here. And that's gone. And then similarly, if we go back into the recurring donation, we see the payment method is blank. So let's add IATS. Again, we're in the recurring donation. Click the IATS on the top right. And most things will populate automatically. The address, the zip code. The begin date will populate automatically. If they've been a recurring donor since 2019, you would see that 2019 date here. The amount, the end date, this you need to manually change to some futuristic end date. Okay, so please change the year sometime in the far, far future. Schedule date, leave that as is. That means they will be charged on the 23rd of every month. And then here is where you enter the credit card. And create recurrent payments. And that's saved. And we could X out. And back on the recurring donation, let me refresh the page. You will now see down below an IATS customer code was created. And then the future pledge transactions will automatically appear. And that's it.